I am going to show you how to remove the nib from a LAMY Safari. Take off the cap, unscrew the barrel, take out the cartridge. You could try also with your bare fingers, but a little bit of tape like this helps you immensely. Also ensure that the pen is cleaned. Also be really careful. So just place the to help it grip, and it should just slide off easily. Here it is, the nib taken off. You can also take out the feed. I also help myself with the... Okay, almost, okay. Success. Just be extra careful not to bend, not to break it. So you can clean out if there is some problems in the feed. Also, if you want to be extra clean, you can also take the feed further apart and insert your fingernail here, and it has with another piece, so you can clean also the inside out. I will just put it back together. Do not force anything. It just slides into place a little bit more. Okay. I also feel like a click when it is seated back to its normal position. As you can see, it looks like this. And the nib just slides, but I will just put it back and I will show you. Keep in mind that it only goes back in one direction as it was. Here's a piece that slides into that channel you can see there. So if I want to turn it, it feels that it only stays in its place. I will just push it back. Oh, easy, easy. Okay, I just felt that it seated itself back. And the nib has some claws that grab into that rail. So we will just slide it carefully. Okay, it's in its place, and until it reaches that end. Okay, I just need a bit. Okay, click back to its position. That's it. So it's, from my pens, it seems that is one of the simplest one that you can take apart, change the nib if you want, clean it. Hope this video helped you, and do not forget to leave a comment, subscribe, a like, whatever. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.